Hey guys, I'm working on a new prototype. This is a functional prototype, so it has to function correctly. Even if it doesn't look quite right, that's okay. It's just to test, to make sure that the product will even work. I bought an off-the-shelf hat, and I'm making a travel hat called the nap hat that's meant to help you sleep while you're traveling. It's got a head restraint built in that will take place of a neck pillow, and I'm also going to add an eye mask so that you can block out light and distractions and sleep a little bit better. I used a seam picker here to remove various parts of the hat. I had to unsew quite a few things, beginning with the hat adjustment. I also removed some hardware, and I actually removed quite a lot of the sweatband on the inside of the hat. This was just to accommodate the eye mask that I was going to add later. I'm using some webbing here, or elastic I should say. It needs to be stretchy. This is going to function not just as the adjustment on the back of the hat for fit, but it's also the head restraint system. So it needs to stretch significantly to wrap around a headrest. And some headrests are bigger than others, so I wanted to make sure that it could accommodate most of them. Once I had a rough measurement, I went ahead and cut that. Now, if you've ever worked with elastic, it tends to fray pretty easily. So I'm just going to heat seal the edges with a little lighter. Because it's synthetic, it just melts the threads together. And if you do it correctly, it actually is very effective in keeping your threads from fraying. I also added some buckles and other hardware. Unfortunately, I didn't film it. I also didn't film the part where I sewed the actual visor on, the eye mask, but it's fairly straightforward. Overall, I'm very happy with the way this prototype turned out, and with this, I'll be able to go to manufacturers and give them a better idea of what I'm looking for. As you can see, there's a good amount of stretch, and the buckles are now in place. I've also got a quick slide for adjustment.